finished.
If you tap, it'll go to the next one.
A blast furnace requires superheated air, which is produced from these 3 gas-powered stoves.
Shaky cam.
Let's take a closer look at the pipework
Between the two of us, Clinton. We've got no chance.
and see what's flowing inside. Natural gas flows into the stoves through these pipes. The exhaust gases are released through the
I'm
stand,
not doing anything wrong.
No, this is where you just look, as far as I could tell.
and the superheated air is pushed through the outlet pipes.
But I had a problem with this, that my phone locked automatically on this. For some reason it didn't tell it not to auto screen turn off, sort of thing.
But why 3 stoves instead of 1? Since blast furnaces can never be allowed to cool, we need to
Okay,
ensure
stop
we
that.
have a large amount.
Stephen Hawley on.
Oh, is that
Navigation.
what he made?
Sorry?
Is that what he made?
Yeah. Come on. Buttons that you can press and you can look at. Thermal view.
It's a little bit hard to press the buttons on a...
Yeah, it is, but I think this is a... And what's that one at the top there? Menu.
Menu.
Oh, it turns it off, and I don't know what these ones are for here. I don't know how to go back to...
Is it the skybox that has the banding, or is that on the screen?
Oh, you mean this
You
stuff
mean-
up
Yeah.
here?
I think that's just texture compression,
Oh, yeah.
because it's a mobile. Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
On
So
the
that...
devices, do you get
okay.
to choose the quality? Like the beautiful, fantastic
I
stuff?
don't think so.
Oh, can you pause that and